review, and this is repackaged, so it might have teared packaging or something, torn packaging, except yeah, just expect that. So right here is just a little sticker you pull back, and the tablet comes straight out. Don't take it upside down, something might fall out. So let's just look at the sleeve real quick. So let me just focus right here. This is just in a bunch of different languages. Right here you can see the specs. This is the i5 processor with a 256 gig drive along with 8 gigs of RAM. So yeah, also the 2160p display, 2160 by 1440. Very, very nice display. And so I just took out the actual tablet here, tablet laptop hybrid. And it has this little accessory sleeve which should have the stylus. Oh wait, no, the stylus is with the actual drive there. Actually, I'll show you that later. Except right here, let's just do an unboxing of this. Here's the cable. It should come better packaged than this because this is repackaged, obviously. Except whoops. So right here, as you can see, here's the Surface Pro branding. A very nice matte finish to it overall. Really like it, along with the cable. So this just plugs in like that. And at the end of this cable, very nice long cable. At the end of it, we have, just to focus, this is a lot like the MacBook Air. My sister has one, or the MacBook Pro charger. Goes in either way. And the specs on this actual charger, let me look at it a little bit closely. This is a, doesn't give the actual voltage on it, probably just somewhere. 100 to 240 volts, so just to let you know. And let me just put this in the frame, focus. And right here is the stylus in this little cloth. The keyboard itself is $140. Pricing for everything will be in the description. I'm not going to tell it to you. A very nice stylus. Click the button, OneNote opens, and yeah, so actually we'll move into that in just a second. I think it turned on when I did that. Here is the Surface branding along with the camera. Not sure about the specs on that, sorry. Notification LED, microphone. Just zoom in. DisplayPort, very nice if you have a 4K display. USB 3.0, really nice having that there. We only have one though. I wish we had two, but to keep it thin, I guess you have to put one. Speaker, and this is the charging port. Right here we have the charger. This is going to go in either way, and it is magnetic, I believe. Yep, magnetic, and goes in either way. So moving over to the back here, we have just some ventilation. And on this side here, as you can see, here's where you put your finger to actually open the kickstand, and it goes back almost 180 degrees. See the mechanism. So yeah, so right here we have the speakers along with volume rocker, 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the actual case right here, there's a little Surface branding. And we'll just open up the kickstand real quick. Here's the micro SD card slot. I wish it was full SD, but oh well. And it's nice because it's concealed back here. You don't really get to see the SD card sticking out. So let's actually move into the machine itself. Focus, there we go. Very, very nice. Let me just prop out the kickstand. And just like the iPad, if you have a magnetic case, it will automatically turn on when you open it. And here we have the keyboard. It's either slanted, I personally prefer it flat, and the keyboard, let's just go over it, very standard. The backspace keys, the shift keys, caps, tab, those are shortened compared to a regular keyboard. I use the Microsoft SignWriter X4, and I've used this keyboard before, very comfortable.